G'day guys, and welcome back to another episode of the Weekly Mixup. Today we're making the Distill Mudslide dessert. So if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button below and the notification bell so you get notified every Friday when we release these cocktail videos. All right, so the first thing you need to do is grab your shaker. We are going to grab some milk. We're going to do 120 mils of milk. We're going to do 30 mils of vanilla vodka. $30 mils of Kahlua. $30 mils of Baileys. Load up with some ice and give it a good shake. Alright, we've got our unbreakable milkshake glass here today, which we're using. Grab your ice cream of choice. Bianca has chosen the classic vanilla. 2 big scoops in your cup. Because it is a dessert, please leave the spoon in your cup. Grab some strawberry. Alrighty. Strain your cocktail over the ice cream. Grab your whipped cream. Bit of a rookie with the whipped cream, but she looks good. Grab your chocky. And some sprinkles for a bit of fun. There you have the Distill Mudslide dessert. Enjoy.